Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In the video, I'm going to review the Color Cupid's foundation. I got it in the shade Toffee and Chocolate. Actually, இது வந்து ஒரு random buy தான். I was just scrolling through Amazon and நான் வந்து foundation வாங்கலாம்னு பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன். And அப்பதான் வந்து இந்த two foundations நான் பார்த்தேன். I mean, two shades பார்த்தேன். So first is in the shade Toffee and second is in the shade Chocolate. ஸோ இவங்க கிட்ட வந்து நான் வந்துட்டு லாஸ்ட் டூ டார்க் ஷேட்ஸ் ஐ கெஸ் அண்ட் ஆக்சுவலி இதுல எம்ஆர்பி வந்து ₹400 போட்டிருக்கு பட் ஐ காட் இட் ஃபார் 200 and something. Okay, like I think I got it under 250, which is crazy. So வாங்கி I just kept it somewhere. I haven't used it. So this is going to be like a first impressions. நான் வந்து இப்பதான் நான் foundation try பண்ண போறேன். And I'm also going to share weirdest of this foundation. So yeah, let's get into the video. I'm actually running super late, so I'm going to keep this video very quick. So first of all, the packaging comes in a plastic tube like this. இது வந்து இந்த Maybelline Fit Me tube and L'Oreal Infallible அந்த மாதிரி tube இருக்குல்ல. So அதே மாதிரி தான் இந்த ஃபவுண்டேஷனும் இருக்கு. And the last two shades are, as I said, it is Toffee and Chocolate. So what are the claims they have is it is long stay, shine free, blendable, matte finish, and yeah. So these are the claim they have. It has hyaluronic acid, ceramides. It will give you a flawless hydration, everything. Okay. Very good claims by the brand. The very interesting part about this foundation is ideal for keeping a poker face during a meeting, which should have been an email, and faking laughter while sighing after he cracks the same joke for the ninth time. I love this. The marketing team was doing something with this. Warning may cause uncontrollable smirks, fierce runaway walks, while contouring vibes. Okay. They claim that it is a high coverage matte finish foundation. So yeah, these are the claims I can see in the tube and in the outer packaging. So from what I'm reading, I can sense that it is going to be long lasting, hydrating, very blendable, high coverage, and what easily blendable matte finish. So these are the claims that this foundation has. So I'm going to try this foundation and I'm also going to give you guys a weird test of this foundation. Actually, I'm going out. That's why I'm speaking like this. So I have no lights here, just the natural light here. So you guys can see how the foundation looks on my face. ஸோ நான் வந்து இது வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இம்ப்ரெஷன்ஸ்னால ஐ ஹவன் ட்ரைட் இட். ஸோ எனக்கு வந்து இது எப்படி பிளெண்டபிளா இருக்கா இல்லை ஹை கவரேஜ் ஐ ஹவ் நோ ஐடியா. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐம் கோயிங் டு டூ ஸ்வாட்சஸ் ஹியர். ஸோ யூ கேஸ் கேன் சி ஹவு த ஷேட்ஸ் இஸ். ஐ திங்க் இது ரெண்டுமே என்னோட ஷேட் இல்லை. ஐ ஹாவ் டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மிக்ஸ் தீஸ் டூ டு கெட் மை ஷேட், which is okay. I mean, I'm used to it. First, I'm taking the toffee shade and I'm going to swatch here. So clearly, this is not my shade, as you guys can see. It is a bit light. இது வந்து எனக்கு இந்த ஷேட் வந்து Maybelline 330 டாஃபி மாதிரி லைட்டா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஐ டோன்ட் கரண்ட்லி ஹேவ் த ஃபவுண்டேஷன் வித் மீ. என்கிட்ட இருந்தா மேபி ஐ ஷேர் இட் இன் த ஷார்ட்ஸ் லைக் ஹவு தீஸ் டூ ஆர் சிமிலர். பட் இட் கைண்டா லுக்ஸ் லைக் தட். Okay, let's move on to chocolate. Very interested about this shade. Okay, this is very cool. It has very cool undertone. Okay. So this is chocolate and this is toffee. These two are the last darkest shade that they have. Okay, now I'm going to do my full face of makeup with this foundation. So the ரெண்டு ஷேடையுமே மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி தான் நான் மேக்கப் போட போறேன். I'm going to use this as a base and of course the orange color கரெக்டாக யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு தான் இதை போட போறேன். I don't think it is going to. I think it is going to become gray. I don't want that today. So orange character use பண்ணிட்டு I'm going to mix these two, put it in my face, and I'm going to set this with a little bit of powder, loose powder, and then I'm going to go. And I don't have oily skin, so எனக்கு வந்து என்னன்னா I sweat a lot. I sweat crazy. You guys won't even believe it. I sweat like in a room full of people. I will be the person that sweats a lot. அந்த மாதிரி I sweat. So எனக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து oiliness இருக்காது. I just sweat a lot. So foundation எப்படி long last ஆகுதுன்னு அதை வச்சு டெஸ்ட் பண்ண போறேன் நான். So yeah, I will be out for couple of hours. So அடிக்கடி I will give updates on how this foundation performs. So yeah, let's do my makeup and let's start the real test. Okay, actually, as you guys can see, I'm doing my makeup. So now the red color corrector which in the face correct பண்ணிட்டேன் இப்போ. I'm going to use the foundation now. So yeah, let's talk about how it blends, how much coverage it has, and everything about that. Okay, so I have to do foundation. So in the toffee shade வந்து I'm going to put a little bit of chocolate. I think அது வந்து என்னோட shade accurate வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So yeah, let's try it. In it in the back of my hands. I'm taking a little bit of chocolate shade. Please don't mess me up today. I actually have no idea. Is this? I think this is a good match. I mean, even if it is not my match now, I'm the manage பண்ணிக்கலாம்னு I have no time. So I just mix these two shades and I'm going to go. First, நான் எங்கெல்லாம் வந்து orange color corrector போட்டனோ அங்க I'm focusing. Sorry, red color corrector. Blend. I'm going to blend now. Wow. Actually, it looks very good, guys. Like, I'm not even kidding. I'm not like, okay, wow, this is very good, cliche thing. It actually looks good, but I have to blend it a lot. I feel like this is kind of like a medium to high coverage. Like, and the red color character, when if you guys use red color character, you know how pigmented it is. It covered the red very beautifully, and it looks very nice. Like, I don't know, the finish is very pretty. I don't know. So இப்போ வந்து I have acne scars here and here and all. So I'm going to put a little bit of foundation and I'm going to blend it. It blends very easily, like not putting any effort. I'm just keeping it and it is blending very perfectly into my face. ஆனால் நான் எதுக்கு இதை யூஸ் பண்ணாமன்னு தெரியல. It looks so good. Let's believe I got this foundation for under 250 rupees. இப்போ அமேசான்ல என்ன price இருக்குன்னு I don't know, but this looks so good. Like, that's it for the what? இது என்ன டெஸ்ட்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். Applying test, whatever. Okay, that is for the applying part. So இப்போ நான் வந்து டக்குன்னு என் மேக்கப் முடிச்சுட்டு I'm going to start the viewer test. I will update you guys. I'm going to burn this hot sun outside. So it is going to be a solid test, okay? Wow, so I sweat a lot. Remember that. I'm going to apply the powder, a little bit of powder to set the foundation. Not using any concealer, nothing. இதுவே வந்து என்னுடைய எல்லாமே வந்து பர்ஃபெக்ட்டா கவர் பண்ணிடுச்சு. I'm done, guys. I'm going to start the ear test. I'm going to finish my rest of my makeup and I'm going to head out and start the ear test. I forgot to shoot the outro, so here is the outro. I think this foundation did a very good job considering the price and the amount of heat I survived that day. I think I picked a very bad day to, film the wear test of this foundation because I think in the high-end makeup or what kind of makeup setting I think that day the makeup would have melted really bad. But in the foundation வந்து என்னோட மேக்கப் வந்து கேக்கி ஆக்கல. So I'm very happy about that. And the finish is very, very good. It is very glowy. So I would highly, highly recommend it. I think I would have also recommend it to college office going girls. If you guys are looking for affordable foundations, I would highly recommend. The foundation, the finish is really good. So yeah, that's the video. So if you guys love it, please make sure to like, subscribe, and everything. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Take care.